More than 6,000 languages in the world exist, but it is you, Papiamento, that the nearest in my heart I feel. It is in you that I can express delicate details that go beyond tone and melody that maybe in the other languages do not exist. More than 6,000 languages in our world exist, but it is my native speech, which mom and dad spoon-fed me, that most of all I cherish, that deepest I harbor in my heart. More than 6,000 languages in our world exist, but it is only in Papiamento that literature we engrave, that international masterpieces we translate, so our native language we may further elevate. Even as a farmer on the land does not scarcely plant papaya and sweet potatoes to harvest diversity at daybreak, so we too must need cherish and protect each language that on earth exists, even if of the tiniest minority it originates.